Hi everyone, this is Bob from BGs Models. This is my 1930 Model A pickup for the small scale group build, hosted by Shawn from the Scale Model Car Guy channel and Bryan over at BGs Model Workshop. 1/32 scale. Nice little build actually. Quite enjoyed it. There was a few things that posed me some problems because I don't normally build American cars, so it's been great to do something a little bit different. And yeah, we did some additional bits and pieces. Put a load of timber in the back of the pickup. I think it's more of a bit of a hot rod pickup, but hey, you know, it's got to work for its living, and you know, it's a nice little thing. I put some still photos at the end of the video, which give you an idea of things. Just trying to think of how it went. I think it went really well. Appreciate you looking, appreciate your comments, give me a thumbs up and all that stuff. Thank you everyone, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now. Bye.